Hello and welcome or welcome back. Let's talk again about the hot topic diffusers. Although I still recommend using them only additionally, they are quite popular these days. And with the introduction of the new Godox MF12 DK1 kit with these very compact adapters and diffusers, the discussion has raised. Because do you want a bulky thing? I'm not saying that these like fixed light or other diffusers or soft boxes or these diffusers, all of them are working well. Also one of my favorite, the intra diffuser with a very nice magnetic attachment. The advantage of the intra diffuser that you also can get a polarizing filter that attach magnetically to it. But overall, for me, there's a clear winner in this game. If you want to use diffusers, it's this. Not only because it's the most compact one, after all, now only available within the kit with the MF12 DK1 kit that comes with the flash adapters, accessories, trigger at almost $400. But these soon will be available for $9.90. There's no competitor out there to get you the diffused images that today most of you are looking for at this price. So think about, I'm not talking about the quality, don't over softbox things, take it easy. So for me again, one of the best diffusers is still the intra diffuser, not creating too much alteration of the image. This one comes pretty close or is almost the same at, again, wow price for all out there. And it's not about advertising things. Again, I don't want to use diffusers as my standard thing. I'm using ring flash like I still love using my Godox MF12 ring flash for many situations, but when it comes to lateral flashes, we can go for the MF12, and what I like, there's the Godox bracket, but personally, I want to be honest, I still love my old bracket where you can easily mount, easily slide in also the Godox flashes. We talked about easy turning around, creating lateral flash, ring flash. There's more videos on that on DentalTV, but for now, just think about or add a comment below to start the discussion what you are thinking or what you think is your go-to diffuser. This one will become the standard just because it's compact, easy to use, and it comes at a price. There's no discussion anymore. Okay, so again, not criticizing things like soft boxes, fixed light, a great tool, but at a very high price in relation to others. So it's up to you what you want to go for. Again, we worked hard to develop this for you. Go and get your Godox MF12 DK1 kit, or soon, just if you already have the MF12, you will get these crazy little things at an unbeatable price. Okay, now let's stop this advertising, but it's not advertising, it's telling you what I think is the best way to level up your dental photography with easy tools. Go for brackets, go for lateral flashes, go for ring flashes. Important is that you shoot, that you understand how things work. And if there's any question, I'm here to help. Thanks for joining Dental TV, and your questions are my source for new information, new content just for you. See you soon.